Conditions for sensitive galvanometer. Dear students, as I have already explained in my previous video, that a galvanometer is said to be sensitive if it can measure larger deflections, right, for the small amount of current which is being passed through it. Now we have just find out the value of theta, which is equal to NBA by K into I, right? Now for constant value of I is equal to constant, theta could be increased if we can increase N, we can increase magnetic field, we can increase area, and we can decrease K. What is K here? K is the spring constant which has been used in a galvanometer, and it is being attached to the bottom of the coil, right? Now let us discuss these cases separately. Now if we increase N, on increasing N, the value of resistance will increase, and moreover the coil will become bulky, and which will makes the galvanometer also bulky. So we can't increase to a larger amount, we can't increase N to a larger amount, because it will increase the resistance, and moreover it will make the galvanometer bulky. Yes, we can increase the magnetic field by using the strong horseshoe magnets, right? By using strong horseshoe magnets. Now if we talk about area, we also can't increase the area too much, because in that case again the uniformity of the magnetic field being applied will not be applicable there, may not be applicable there, and also it will make the galvanometer bulky. Yes, we can decrease the value of K by using a special material for the spring, especially the we can use here quartz or quartz material or phosphor material for using the spring, right? So these are the factors by which we can increase the value of theta, which is the sensitive galvanometer. That is to increase the sensitivity of the galvanometer.